Hey, welcome, CryptoReality fams. Please be advised, I'm not your financial advisor. I just wanted you to share my insights in regards to the markets. Okay, so what are we doing right now? We are in a retrace levels after the pump. Of course, you're gonna dump right now. And look at this, we have this double tap pattern right here. Yep, double top, that's why we go down, but it's not just the pattern itself. Okay, this is the measured move, right? This one is this one. Okay, now we reached that. Okay, we're holding again this green line, this support trend line. Also, your RSI is near your oversold territory. So what I'm expecting is, it depends on how the US dollar dominance will react. Okay, US dollar dominance, as you can see, still looking good. Okay, I want to say that this is looking good for US dollar dominance. Okay, but we still have this resistance trend line here. Okay, so this is just a fake out, I guess. This is a fake out. You know what I'm saying here is this: maybe we can come back, and I hope we dump here, and at least it holds, then it's gonna pump like that, and we're gonna break this to the upside. That's the bearish one. Of course, if the US dollar dominance will increase, crypto will bleed. But honestly, if we break this to the downside, okay, if we break this close below there, even on 1 hour time frame, and we got back up retrace, then we'll be seeing some nice pump for crypto. Okay, let's just see and wait. Okay, so right now here we are. You're gonna take a look close. Maybe we're gonna close like this. Okay, I hope it goes like this and come back down. So look at now your XRP here. Okay, just like I've said, it's a similar pattern before, so I hope that XRP will rise up here. It's a microphone pattern. Look at your higher time frame here, or maybe a 4 hours chart. This is a microphone pattern, but typically this microphone pattern after the pump will end up to the downside. Okay, this is your pump. Okay, creating this higher high formation right here. I don't know if that's gonna happen. I hope not. I would love to see us pump. Okay, I'd love XRP to break this resistance here, this 2.74 area right here, 2.70 to 2.74 area. I would like us to close above it, close above 2 point here. I want us to close above here, so we can expect the highest prices. Okay, maybe $4 or $5. It depends how high we can go, but that will only happen if US dollar dominance will break this to the downside. Okay, but don't forget, here's your daily. Don't forget that I am saying that maybe we could pump up and create a double top here for your US dollar dominance. Okay, then everyone's gonna panic here, because of course we're gonna dump if US dollar dominance will still pumps. Okay, and after that we're gonna see a massive pump to the upside, because we're gonna drop here. Okay, but of course if we break this and we go up, then that's already bear market. Okay, but if we manage to break this right this week, or I don't know, but maybe this week, if we break this yellow trend line here, this support trend line here, and we manage to close below here, I'm expecting XRP to go rise up here. Okay, maybe if we can have some good news like the ETFs next week and we break this, maybe we're gonna retest this high. Okay, maybe we can pump just like that. Okay, what's that price? It could be this $3.30. Okay, maybe we could rise up there and then dump again. Okay, why should I say that's the only pump we could have? Because look at this, it's kinda be having some nice resistance here. Okay, resistance, and your all-time high resistance. Okay, this is all-time high resistance right there. There you go. So I was just thinking that maybe we could stop there. Okay, don't get me wrong about this. Don't get me wrong. Okay, but if US dollar dominance will break it down, you know, that's what I'm saying, is that we break this and then go to the downside, then that's the thing I could say. We're gonna see the $4 to $5 XRP. Okay, and Bitcoin will eventually pump to this 125 level area again, 125,000. Okay, but right now let's see how it goes, because maybe if we break this, remember, if we break this green line, we're gonna come back down here, and maybe this time it's gonna go down harder. Okay, so watch these levels here. Okay, because maybe after that we're gonna come back down here to this area at 98,000 area again. Okay, and that's not good. That's not good, because maybe this time this green line right here is now going to be our resistance, biggest resistance. Okay, so remember those. I was just looking and I was hoping that we can still have this pump right here. Okay, I was eyeing here. Look at this. Why? 2.70 to 2.75 area is my key area here. Okay, look at this. We haven't retested this orange line right here. Not even here. Okay, we haven't retested that. Your 100 move EMA. Okay, we haven't retested your 100 exponential moving average. Okay, look what I am saying here. Here is your past. Okay, remember that what I've said. Okay, this is a dead cross here. Okay, that's a dead cross, and look, eventually we retest this, right? We retest that. So as you can see here, here is your death cross, right in front of your eyes. That's a death cross, and what I am waiting is some sort of pump in here. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, maybe some pump in here. Maybe we're just gonna pump here. 2.69 area. Okay, maybe that's it before we're gonna come back down. So let's just wait and see. Okay, always do your own research. If you learned something here, please do me a favor, me a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless.